Hi there, Mark Costner here from DreamweaverMadeSimple.com. Welcome to our Dreamweaver tutorial series. This is part 3 in our series of Create a Basic Web Page. In our last video, which was called Step 2, Getting Started with Dreamweaver, we took a look at how to set up your site before you actually start building it using Dreamweaver. Then we took a look at how to create your first page. In this short and simple video, we're going to look at the next step, inserting your page graphics. Now, if you've been following us through the whole series, you'll remember way back in video 1, we took a look at how to create a wireframe for your website. Well, now that you've created the wireframe and prepared your graphics, we're going to turn your basic page from this into this. Let's open up Dreamweaver and take a look at exactly how we're going to do that. Okay, so we've opened up Dreamweaver here, and we've got our table layout that we created in our previous video, if you remember that, when we created our first page. At the moment, it's nothing more than a basic table layout. So, let's take a look at how to turn this into a great looking web page. We simply place our cursor where we want to start putting our various table elements, and then start inserting the various elements. We can select the various parts from our files list. For example, we'll start off with our footer background and drop that into the background area. Do the same for the two sides. We can actually put in our actual footer image as well by inserting an image. And using the footer image as the actual image to insert. As you can see, we've now got the footer image in there. So we can go through and do that for the rest of the site as well. And literally in a couple of minutes you've inserted all the images for your website. Let's take a look at what this looks like as a complete website now. We'll just preview this page in a browser. Now take a look at that. In a matter of minutes we've got a complete web page with the header graphics, the page graphics, and all the footer graphics completed. Now that took us all of probably 2 minutes to do, because we took the time to prepare everything that we needed before we started the actual project. For the next steps, it's time for you to add your content, which will include any text or graphics, video or audio or anything else you want to put on those particular pages. You'll also need to create your actual site navigation. That means you'll need to create the links that'll take you from one page to the next and guide the visitor through the actual website. Now, of course, if you want to see all of this in detail, then I suggest you pop on over to DreamweaverMadeSimple.com and check out our tutorials that guide you step by step through the whole process of building your website using Dreamweaver. In our next video, we're going to take a look at 4 different types of websites that you can build. We'll look at the common elements of those different types of websites, what they're used for, and how to use them to their best advantage. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to pop on over to Dreamweaver Made Simple, where you can get access to your free 15-part Dreamweaver tutorial, where we'll take you step by step through the whole process of building your website from start to finish. We've even got a whole range of Dreamweaver interactive video tutorials where I'll guide you step by step on screen, showing you every mouse click that you need to do to build your entire website. So pop on over to Dreamweaver Made Simple. See you there shortly.